Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, in settings, scroll through the menu and find the location option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we can enable and disable the location services by tapping on the switch. You can toggle it between on or off. You can also scroll down and here we have the location services and we have Google location accuracy. You can tap on it and here you can disable the option to improve the location accuracy by Google. So you can enable it or disable it. And once you're done, you can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.